Personal Finance Crash Course, Digital Marketing Crash Course, an overview. Introduction. In the digital age we live, marketing takes a new form. Online platforms and strategies, the norm. To navigate this digital realm with ease. A crash course in digital marketing, let's seize. Chapter 1, The Power of Digital Marketing. Gone are the days of traditional ads. Digital marketing, the new fad. With vast reach and precise targeting, it's revolutionizing the way we're marketing. Example story, the rise of a small business. Sarah, a passionate entrepreneur with a dream, used digital marketing to build her team. Through social media and targeted ads, her business grew, surpassing the fads. Chapter 2, The Art of Content Creation. Content is king, they often say. Compelling stories, captivating in every way. Blogs, videos, and social media posts. Engaging content attracts the most. Example story, The Influencer's Journey. Mark, a travel enthusiast with a knack for photography, became an influencer, sharing his journey. With captivating visuals and insightful captions, he built a loyal following, gaining traction. Chapter 3, Search Engine Optimization, SEO. In the vast digital landscape, visibility is key. SEO techniques ensure you're easy to see. Keywords, meta tags, and quality content help your website rank and increase your ascent. Example story, The Local Business Boost. Alex, a local restaurant owner with a vision, implemented SEO, making the right decision. His business appeared on top of search results, drawing more customers with delicious results. Chapter 4, Pay-per-click, PPC, Advertising. To boost your presence, paid ads can do. PPC advertising, an effective avenue. Google Ads and social media campaigns drive traffic to your site, creating gains. Example story, The E-commerce Success. Emily, an e-commerce entrepreneur with flair, used PPC advertising to make her brand aware. Her targeted ads and strategic bidding increased sales, her success never dwindling. Chapter 5, Social Media Marketing. In the realm of likes, comments, and shares, social media marketing truly cares. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Connect with your audience, their hearts to explore. Example story, The Nonprofit's Impact. David, a passionate advocate for a cause, used social media marketing to give his voice a pause. With compelling stories and impactful campaigns, his nonprofit flourished, making meaningful gains. Top 12 Digital Marketing Techniques. 1. Email marketing. 2. Influencer marketing. 3. Video marketing. 4. Affiliate marketing. 5. Mobile marketing. 6. Remarketing and retargeting. 7. Online reputation management. 8. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. 9. Viral marketing. 10. Native advertising. 11. Chatbot marketing. 12. Augmented reality, AR, marketing. Summarizing the writing. In the digital realm, marketing takes flight. Digital marketing strategies, a powerful might. From content creation to social media's embrace, we navigate the digital landscape at a steady pace. Poem. In the world of pixels and screens, digital marketing reigns, oh how it gleams. From social media to SEO. A crash course in digital marketing, let's go. Storytelling through content, captivating and bold. Driving engagement, a tale to be told. SEO techniques, making websites shine. Ranking high, reaching the divine. PPC advertising, a boost to the sky. Paid campaigns, catching the eye. Social media's allure, connecting us all. Building communities, standing tall. Emails that entice, influencers that sway. Video marketing, holding our attention, they say. Affiliate partnerships, a fruitful embrace. Mobile marketing, reaching every space. Remarketing and retargeting, a second chance. Online reputation management, enhancing our stance. Conversion rate optimization, the art of the deal. Viral marketing, making things go viral, for real. Native ads blending seamlessly in the stream. Chatbot marketing, a conversation's gleam. Augmented reality, a world of wonder. Digital marketing techniques, pulling us under. In this crash course, we've learned and explored digital marketing's power, forever adored. With knowledge and strategy, we take flight. Navigating the digital realm, shining bright. Song. Verse 1. In a digital world, where marketing takes flight. Digital strategies, shining so bright. From content creation to social media's embrace. Let's dive into digital marketing's grace. Chorus. Oh, the power of digital marketing, it's true. Unlocking possibilities, for me and for you. Emails, influencers, and videos that shine. A world of digital wonders, so fine. Verse 2. Search engine optimization, climbing the ranks. PPC advertising, driving clicks, not pranks. Social media's allure, connecting us all. Building communities, standing tall. Chorus. Oh, the power of digital marketing, it's true. Unlocking possibilities, for me and for you. Emails, influencers, and videos that shine. A world of digital wonders, so fine. Bridge. From affiliate marketing to mobile's reach. Remarketing and retargeting, giving us a speech. Conversion rate optimization, a deal to be made. Viral marketing, going viral like a cascade. Verse 3. Native advertising blending in the stream. Chatbot marketing, a conversation's gleam. Augmented reality, a world to explore. Digital marketing techniques, forevermore. Chorus. Oh, the power of digital marketing, it's true. Unlocking possibilities, for me and for you. Emails, influencers, and videos that shine. A world of digital wonders, so fine. Outro. With this crash course, we've learned and grown. Digital marketing's power, we've shown. With knowledge and strategy, we'll take flight. Navigating the digital realm, shining bright. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.